Hello children, welcome to the class of English. So we will begin our today's video by talking about our second part of the story Willy Woo Learns to Make Friends. So children, let's get started. So yes, in the last part we have seen that Willy Woo, the old witch broom maker, is telling Willy Woo to go to the willow tree to bring the branches so that he can prepare a broom out of it, and through which Willy Woo can go to the party on the moon. Okay, so now in our today's part we will see that Willy Woo is reaching the well. Okay, यानी कुआं की तरफ Willy Woo जाती है. Oh dear, said the shy witch girl, Willy Woo, I don't know the well. The willow tree said softly, see, now before going to the well, this is the conversation between the willow tree and Willy Woo. What are they conversating? Now Willy Woo is saying to the willow tree, oh dear, I don't know well. How can I go and talk to him? Now, what do willow tree says? It's up to you, Willy Woo. This is something you must do. If you don't do it soon, you won't make it to the moon. The same repeated dialogue which was said by the witch broom maker. Now again, this is repeated by the willow tree. After listening to this, Willy Woo ran to the well. Okay, now she decides, I have to go to the well so that I can tell him to give water to the willow tree. Now, and then she runs towards the well. After reaching the well, there she sees that what is in the picture. You can see that she finds out a big huge stone on the well. Okay, and she is talking with the well now. What is she talking? Willy Woo requests well to send water to the willow tree. Now she is requesting the well to send water. Now what is the well saying? The well saying, I wish I could. A storm rolled a huge stone on top of me. एक बड़ा सा तूफान आया और उसने मेरे ऊपर ये पत्थर बड़ा सा डाल दिया. I can't send water to anybody. If you roll the stone of me, I will send water to the tree. Now what is the tree replying? The well is replying that अगर तुम मेरे ऊपर से ये पत्थर हटा देती हो तो मैं सारे पेड़ों को मैं पानी दे दूंगा. ठीक है. Now what is Willy Woo trying to do? अच्छा, वो सोचती है ये पत्थर ही तो है ना, I will just remove it within a fraction of seconds. तो वो क्या करती है, एक स्पेल बोलती है, यानी मैजिक करने से पहले ये विचेस क्या करती है, कुछ मंत्र बोलते हैं. ठीक है. What is she spelling it? Which spell and which is brew? Here is a spell from little Willy Woo. Stones move off the well, will you? Stones move off the well, will you? Now she is what? She is spelling this. लेकिन क्या होता है, कुछ फायदा नहीं होता. this she is unable to move the stone by spelling it. Okay, so Willy Woo begins to cry. अभी उसको बहुत रोना आ रहा है कि अभी मैं शायद से ना जा पाऊँ, क्योंकि पानी तो वेल दे नहीं रहा है ट्री को. अगर ट्री ब्रांचेस नहीं देगी तो मैं ब्रूम मेकर के पास क्या ले जाऊंगी, एंड अगर ब्रूम मेकर के पास वो ब्रांचेस नहीं लेके जाऊंगी तो मुझे ब्रूम कैसे मिलेगा. तो शी इज वॉट क्राइंग. अभी नाउ वाइल शी वॉज क्राइंग हर ड्रॉप्स फेल ऑन द स्टोन एंड ही फेल्ट वेरी सॉरी फॉर Willy Woo. He said, Willy Woo, spells do not do any magic, but friends do. Now, what is the well saying? The stone saying? स्टोन बोलता है कि ये जो मैजिकल तुमने स्पेल बोला है ये कुछ काम नहीं करेगा. तो काम कौन करेगा? काम करेंगे तुम्हारे फ्रेंड्स. Then she is saying, friends? How are friends going to help? Then the stone says, कि तुम अगर कोई अपने दोस्तों को ले आओ और मुझसे ये पत्थर हटा दो, then I can give water to the tree. So the stone tells Willy Woo to go to the thatch house at the top of the mountain. There you will meet Valerie. Ask her to help, says the stone. Abhi, what happens next? The stone is telling, if you are not having friends, then I will tell you one girl's name. Her name is Valerie. She is living in the thatch house, a house made up of grass, dry grass and hay. तो वो टॉप ऑफ माउंटेन पे है, तुम वहाँ जाके इस वैलरी को बुला के लाओ और तुम दोनों इस मेरे से ऊपर से पत्थर हटा दो. He is giving this advice. Now, Willy Woo's before going, she tells that मैं कैसे जाऊंगी? How can I go to? I don't know that girl Valerie. How can I go to her and ask her for help? Then he repeats the same thing. This is something you have to do. Okay, जैसे कि पहले दो माउंटेन ने, स्टोन वेल ने, विलो ट्री ने जो कुछ बोला, सेम वैसे ही बोलता है. ये तुम्हें करना ही है, नहीं तो यू विल बी अनेबल टू गो टू द मून. Okay, so she what do? Willy Woo goes to the mountain. Ask Valerie for the help. Okay, अभी Valerie she is, वो क्या बोलती है लड़की? Can I bring my friends with me to roll off the stone to help you? Then she says yes of course. तो Valerie के साथ उसके दोस्त भी आते हैं और ये सारे बच्चे मिलके विली वू के साथ जाते हैं उस बड़े से पत्थर को हटाने. ना ये सारे बच्चे मिलके उस पत्थर को हटा देते हैं. इमीडिएटली द वेल गर्गल्ड यानी एक टाइप की नॉइज विच इज मेड व्हेन अ वाटर फ्लोज थ्रू अ नैरो स्पेस. ओके, सो दिस इज व्हाट अ वेल. इमीडिएटली द वेल गर्गल्ड एंड सेंट वाटर इन बिग स्प्लैश. बड़े से स्प्लैश से पानी ऐसे ट्री की तरफ उसने भेज दिया. टू द विलो ट्री absorbed the water and gave the branches. Okay, विलो ट्री ने क्या किया? सारा पानी एब्जॉर्ब कर लिया और अच्छे अच्छे ब्रांचेस उन बच्चों को दे दिए. Which broom maker made the longest broom ever? अब ये विली वू क्या करती है? सारे ब्रांचेस लेके विच ब्रूम मेकर के पास जाती है और वो सबसे लंबा ब्रूम बनाता है. सबसे लंबा ब्रूम, दैट इज द लॉन्गेस्ट ब्रूम. ओके, एंड he is giving this broom to Willy Woo. Now Willy Woo is inviting all her new friends including the broom maker. All of them sits on the broom and they move towards the moon for partying the Halloween night. Okay, see in the picture you can see that all these persons are sitting on the broom and they are making towards the moon. So children, this was an interesting and very nice story about how Willy Woo learns to make friends. So if you want to make friends, you first need to talk with that person. Okay, you first of all take an initiation to talk with that person and then only you can make new friends. If you are shy, then you will never be able to make friends. Okay, so like Willy Woo, you will be also learning to make friends. So I hope children you have understood this very nice story. We will be meeting in our second video with our new story. Thank you. Stay home, stay safe.